You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse.
Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Really quick because your girl is driving. Welcome back to a new vlog. I just wanted to do this intro before I get to this event and I forget, but your girl's on the way to the that needs to be blended, baby. What the fuck, whatever, too late now, I already left the house. But your girl's on the way to the Steam and Dream Summit. I was invited to be a facilitator this year and I will be speaking on how to get paid from content creation. Y'all, don't play with Content Katie, okay? Don't fucking play with her. I am like super duper excited that I was even a thought to be the person to discuss this. Basically the event is for the youth ages 12 to 17. They come, there's different people from like different career paths that do different things. And they basically like handpick who they want to like listen to and talk to. So the people that I'm going to talk to actually signed up to hear about content creation, and I'm super excited. I'm like a little nervous, but not even really. Like, I'm just kind of scared that nobody's going to be in the room. I'm scared nobody picked me, but like, even whether it's 10 people in the room or it's one person in the room, the energy and the vibe and the presentation and everything is still gonna be the same. I am just like so thankful, so grateful, so blessed to be in this position. Like, again, the fact that anybody even thought of me to have me be this person for this part really just speaks volumes and lets me know that I'm doing something well. I'm doing something, you know. I even on my worst days when I feel like, okay, maybe this just isn't gonna go anywhere, there are other people who see me and recognize how hard I'm working and how much I really love what I do. So I really appreciate that. My outfit is tea. Can't even show y'all the whole thing, and I know it might look like it's like open right here, but there's like fabric, so it's not open. It's just my girls is, they're a little too big. This outfit is from Pretty Little Thing. It's a play suit, so it's shorts underneath, but it looks like it's a dress. I'm on the way now. I'm about 6 minutes away. I stopped and got me some coffee. Y'all, I'm doing the most. I'm vlogging, driving, showing coffees, like everything. I just tried to make sure everything was good for me to have a good day. Got up on time, doing my makeup. My hair turned out amazing. I was supposed to start the vlog yesterday when I got my hair done, but I was rushing to get to that appointment and didn't have time to grab my camera and all of that. So yeah, but the hair, I'm gonna give y'all a closer look at the hair because we really outside all weekend. I'm gonna have this event today, then I'm going to some happy hours to film another piece of my Milwaukee Monday segment for happy hour, which, by the way, I mean, by the time y'all see this, it'll already be posted, so I don't care to talk about it. But I'm going to 3 different places today to continue filming for that. And then tomorrow, Saturday, I'm supposed to be going out, hopefully, for my friend's birthday. It was Amici's birthday yesterday, so we're supposed to go out tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we're gonna do this really cute boat cruise thing. So I'm really excited about that. So a little fun weekend, for real. I'm just giving y'all a little rundown for the weekend, but we're outside, okay? Definitely gonna want to go have a little drink and celebrate after today, because it's gonna be like, yeah, I really did it. Yeah, so I will talk to y'all more when we get here. I don't have much to carry, thank God, so hopefully I'll be able to hold on to all of this and it won't be like a hassle for me to carry. I just got one big bag and then my coffee, so it's not that bad. But yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later once I get in the building. Okay, actually about to vomit. Y'all, look at this. It's literally an entire classroom. But when I walked in, I saw a lot of the kids because they're already like here. So they're downstairs. I'm upstairs. My room that I'm presenting in is up here. So yeah, we're on the MSOE campus, which is Milwaukee School of Engineering, if y'all not from Milwaukee. But yeah, this is the hair. It's like a cute little like 90s like up. It's like half up, half down, but with a cute little bun and the fans. Real cute. Okay, so here's the outfit, y'all. This is from Pretty Little Thing. And like I told y'all, it's a play suit, so it looks like a dress, but it's really shorts underneath here. They can't see nothing. It's all pink underneath, so even if it is like a little open, they can't see nothing. I don't want y'all to think I'm flashing the kids or done. And then I got this little white bag. I have no idea where this is from. I want to say Forever 21. Where is this from? I don't know where this is from. But yeah, got this little white bag. Boom. And then the heels are also from Pretty Little Thing. Just some little white heels with some gems on it. So yeah, real cute. Oh my God, it's my biggest fan. This is Ashley, guys. We just got finished with the first session, so everybody's joining the vlog. Everybody's joining the vlog. And we got another one at 1 o'clock, so that'll be the second group. But the first one went good. Y'all got any reviews?
It was really amazing. She covered a lot of stuff. And I did follow her. You guys should go follow her on TikTok and Instagram.
Thank
and
you, period.
From Pretty Little Things.
They know something. They know something, period. Thank you very much. I think it went really well. I honestly was for one, I was hot. It's very hot in here once you start talking. And I was scared, hoping my hair wasn't sweating out or something. But I was real hot. I was real nervous, but it went well, y'all. Like, I feel like they was actually intrigued. Feels so good. So I'm about to chill for a little bit because my next one not till 1 and it's 11 o'clock. So I don't know what I'm finna go do. But yeah, my man's finna leave. I'm super happy.
Freshest camera lady I ever seen.
Okay. Say hey, girl.
What percentage?
It's a little loud because music playing. But it's lunchtime. All the kids eating lunch. And then I got another session after this.
Here.
Okay. This my boy. What's your name?
Logan.
Logan. He's about to show me his YouTube edit.
Well,
So we finna watch.
Yet. I'm finna show you my how I've grown. So we start from like 1 view. And then if we go up a little more, we go from 7.
Ooh, 3,000?
And 2K. And if we go up a little more.
Yeah, so you got a lot of shorts.
Yeah, not really. I only started.
You got more than me. I think I got like 6. Well, that's good. And you got 50 subscribers. That's good.
Thank you. And then let me show you the edit.
So what you waiting to be in the vlog, Lance? Wait, hold on. Say what you would like to say, Lance.
Nothing.
Would you like to give me a review for my session? What would you give me out of 10?
Okay.
5 stars.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say 5 out of 10. I was about to say, Lance. Okay. Here is the Logan's edit.
That was that way.
I know that's right. Yes, that was made by my boy Logan. Make sure y'all go add him on YouTube. What's the name?
It's called That Kid Log.
That Kid Log. Okay. And we're all done for the day. That was my second session. All the kids have left. You got a computer in there? You want a computer? I know that's right. Dang. Period. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I have my 2 sessions. I have the kids' names on the dry erase board for my ebook. I got a lot of names, y'all. I got at least 10 names, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna send in my ebook 100% for free. Ray was like, you gonna do it for free? I'm like, they're kids. They don't have money for this. But I really just want to help. Like, I told them, I remember being 13 years old and really wanted to be a famous YouTuber, and there was not many people like today. Everybody will teach you how to be a content creator, but back then people were not doing that. So I wish that I would have had some help back then, so that's why I'm trying to help them now, you know. So yeah, your girl is all done for the day. I'm trying to think if I want to stay for this thing. I think I might. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we want a happy hour after this, so. Hey y'all, so I don't even remember the last time I talked to y'all, honestly. I really don't. I finished my 2 sessions at the event I was at. It was great. It was a great time. I had a really good day. I taught those 2 groups of kids, sent everybody my ebook for free. It was really good. I met a lot of really dope kids who, some of them already kind of started doing content, but a lot of them were just interested, and I feel like a lot of the things I said like really resonated with them, so it was really nice. Then I went and filmed at a couple happy hour spots for my Milwaukee Monday. Now I'm at my friend's house. Yeah, really the new and improved, newly decorated, renovated. Don't play. And we finna go get some hookah. So yeah, we finna go to Sir's. I can't remember if I took y'all to Sir's or not. I don't think so. I don't think y'all been there. So yeah, we finna go there, get a little hookah, catch a little vibe, and yeah, that's it. So it is Sunday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I literally sat in the bed like until we went out and we went to the club. Y'all know I don't take my camera to the club because it be too much going on. I be drunk. If I lose it, I'm gonna be mad. So yeah. But we are on a boat, or we finna get on a boat. We're doing like a little booze cruise. So it's really nice. Sunday morning. Do our thing, girl. Yeah. Ryan's here. Oh my God. Bye. We're on like the Milwaukee, what is this, Milwaukee River? Yeah, we're on the Milwaukee River. We just gonna catch a vibe. This is gonna be really fun, I feel like. I said my turn. Are we going upstairs? Oh yeah, because we can't choose, I believe. Yeah.
Additional children's life jackets for the comfort of your fellow passengers. We ask that also.
Wow! They're not gonna. They not gonna need some.
Well, my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be.
I'm here live with a doctor and a veterinarian. You know, this is so nice out here. So, my name is Katie, and this is me on my first drink.
I'm Amicia, and this is me on.
My name is Terry. My name is Maisha, and I'm
Okay, so you're done. You're
First water. Right. First water drink.
Okay, we babysitting, so we finished drinks. Cheers! Okay, just finish the one you were already drinking.
It's not even strong. I just keep burping.
Neck piece on blizzle bag. I throw 1,000 more, keep taking that ass on me. Young nigga ride with us. Yeah. Like that nigga, babe, I feel myself. Okay guys, this is my 3rd mimosa. I'm definitely feeling them. It's $5 mimosas. Period. Yeah. Yeah. That's our 3rd one. So we on that.
Y'all, my friend switched me because I hit that nasty.
Yeah, switch with my girl. She didn't like this one. So she got, what is that? Orange pineapple. Is that one better? Better. I can drink this. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we left the boat. We are now at Sir's. I come here a couple times, sometimes for like happy hour, but I don't know if I've ever recorded myself in here. So yeah, we're at Sir's. It's a really popular spot. It's a restaurant lounge. They got hookah. They got some good ass food. Okay, they got some good ass food. Really good hookah. It's always a vibe. So if you're in Milwaukee, definitely come check them out. I'm in the bathroom because I really have to pee. But we are gonna go to Mr. B's too, but that don't start until like 5 o'clock and it's 4:39. So we just came here first. You know, you gotta let the crowd pick up. You don't wanna go nowhere and be the first person there. So we got Big Deuce in the building. But yeah, we just gonna chill here for a little bit and then go there. I think everybody probably gonna order food here and go there. Only thing I ever had from Mr. B's was like honey hot wings. Them bitches was slapping though. The dress, the body is dipping. This is the TikTok shop dress, but I didn't get it off TikTok, so I have to pay way more than what the fuck it cost on TikTok, because it wasn't gonna come in time. And y'all already know it's finna get quiet, because I don't play with that copyright shit. So yeah, it's finna get quiet. Y'all finna get a little nice mix.
I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?